If you want to learn anything for free, here are 5 websites you should know. First, Coursera. Coursera gives you courses from over 350 universities and companies. That includes Google, IBM, Stanford, Yale, and more. You can learn AI, data science, business, finance, psychology, and even health-related subjects. To use it for free, open any course and choose the audit option. You'll get access to the full video lectures without paying. Certificates usually require payment, but the learning itself is free. Second, Duolingo. Duolingo helps you learn languages in short, gamified lessons. You can learn Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, English, and many more. Lessons take about 5 to 10 minutes. You practice speaking, listening, and writing. The free version is fully usable. The paid version just removes ads. If you want more videos of me uncovering secret websites, please subscribe. Third, Codecademy. Codecademy teaches coding directly inside your browser. You can learn Python, web development, AI, data science, cybersecurity, and SQL. Instead of just watching videos, you actually write code and get instant feedback. Many beginner courses and basic paths are free. The pro version unlocks advanced features, but you can start without paying. Fourth, Alison. Alison offers free online courses across business, IT, healthcare, marketing, and personal development. The courses themselves are free. You can earn certificates and diplomas. Official physical certificates may require payment, but the learning access is free. It's useful if you want structured short courses with proof of completion. Fifth, the Odin Project. The Odin Project is a completely free, full-stack web development curriculum. It teaches HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, Node.js, and back-end development. It's structured like a roadmap. You build real projects. There is no paid version. Everything is free.